Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact the Mastodon support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have 5 tabs. We have the home tab where you can check out all of the posts that people you follow are posting. We have the search bar where you can search for, of course, people and everything. We have the new post where you can put a new post, notifications, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Mastodon support. So to contact Mastodon support, you can use the following email addresses depending on your inquiry. For general support, contact staff@mastodon.social. For press inquiries, go to press@joinmastodon.org. For legal and GDPR, go to legal@mastodon.social. For moderation appeals, moderation@mastodon.social. Just make sure to include the relevant details about your issue to help the support team assist you better. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.